This is Metaldex VR, and it's our newest hybrid modular screen panel. Ultimately, Polydeck believes in innovating the latest tools to get producers the item they need in their screen to get the job done the most effectively. So if you have something like pegging or blinding issues, this can be a real game changer for you. Many of our customers came to us with a need for higher open area or pegging resistance on part of their decks, most often in the discharge area of their screen, to clean up the product a little bit more. And we found this was a very good fit to give our customers the solution they required. This is a very high open area panel. It is perfectly compatible with any of our existing systems, and customers can apply this either partial or throughout an entire deck with our higher wear synthetic options. One of the beautiful parts of this product is that when you wear out, you're only dealing with 2 square feet at a time. You don't incur the cost, for example, on a 6-foot wide screen of having to replace 24 squares in one given go. You can incur the cost as well as the variability of just a 2 square foot change at one given time. So the amount of work that you need to do to deal with wear issues or dialing in somebody's quality control when it comes to your own customer, it's just less work.